In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new font in Elementor. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website or simply desire a more personalized touch, incorporating a custom font can make a significant difference. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly enrich your site with unique typography. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is your website management area where you'll find all the tools you need to start editing your site. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate over to Elementor Settings. You'll see this option on the left-hand side panel. Click on it to proceed. When you're in the Elementor Settings, look for the Custom Fonts tab. This tab is crucial as it allows you to upload and manage the fonts you wish to add. Click on the Custom Fonts tab to open it. This action will guide you to the section where you can begin the font uploading process. You're now in the Custom Fonts area. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Add New. Go ahead and click it. A prompt will appear that allows you to assign a name to your new font. Naming your font accurately is important for recognition and seamless use within your design choices later on. After naming your font, the next step involves uploading the font files. These files typically come in various formats like WOFF, TTF, or OTF. Ensure you have these files saved on your computer. To upload them, click on the Add Font Variant button. Each font style requires a variant upload, so be prepared to repeat this action for each different font weight or style you plan to use, such as bold or italic. Now that you have your font files ready, it's time to upload them. Clicking Add Font Variant will allow you to choose the relevant font file from your computer. Finally, upload each file one by one, making sure that each variant is correctly labeled according to its weight or style. Once your uploads are finished, make sure to double-check that all the file uploads appear in the list. After verifying this, simply hit the Publish button to save your changes. Now, your newly added font is stored in Elementor and ready to enhance your site's aesthetics. With the font successfully added, it's time to put it to use on your website. Head over to any page or post within Elementor where you want the new font to appear. In the Elementor editor, choose the text element you wish to modify. Under the Style tab, navigate to Typography Settings. You should now see your new font name listed among the font family options. Select it and watch as the text on your page springs to life with your newly customized typography. By following these steps, you've not only added a new font to Elementor but also tailored your website's design to better reflect your unique style. Adding custom fonts can really make a site stand out, turning a simple design into something really special. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!